Good morning, Divas. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy Hanukkah. Happy Kwanzaa. Whatever you celebrate, it is a great day today. The sun is shining. I'm alive. I'm living. I'm breathing. So, I'm having a good day this morning. I already got the turkey in the oven. That's been in the oven since 6 a.m. It's smelling pretty good. The house is smelling pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on my sweet potatoes. And so I got a grip of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash these and put them in a pot and get to boiling them. Putting them in this pot right here. And this is what I use to boil. And we will boil these. I may have to separate these in a pot if it's too much going on. So, yeah. So I'm very excited about today. Just happy to have the day off and to spend time with family. The greens are marinating in the refrigerator. I'm gonna start on the mac and cheese. I make the best mac and cheese in the world. So if anyone wants to try me on it, if anyone wants to say, hey, I got a better recipe, I can't even show y'all this recipe. Like this one, if I tell you, like my recipe, and I want to thank my mother-in-law for hooking me up because she showed me what she does and I was able to make mine, and it's been a crowd favorite, so obviously it's a little something is good, you know. I bake it, it's homemade, and you know you legit if the family asks you to bring the mac and cheese. You know, you can't be no novice in the mac and cheese department. Like when they ask you, you better come right, you better come prepared. And they already know you got it. They already know it's in you. They know you got the recipe. That's me. I got the mac and cheese recipe. And right now I got the crown. So if anyone wants to dethrone me, holla at me. Let me know. Let me know, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna start on the mac and cheese. I made some cakes and they're bomb, and I actually had a slice. I had a slice for breakfast. Okay, it's Christmas. I had a slice for breakfast. Who gonna fight me? Who gonna fight me? Yeah, I'm about to put in my B2K Christmas album because you guys know that is a fundamental, and you know they're going on tour. Your girl is going to a B2K concert, okay, and I will vlog it and show you guys because I loved J Boog as a kid. That was my guy. Let me just give y'all some tips right now. If you going on the B2K tour, let me just say this. Go early. Why? Why go early? Because if Raz B start tripping, you know Amarion, all of them, tour's over. Tour's canceled. So make sure if y'all go to this B2K concert tour that you go on the early dates. But y'all heard it from me first. So just putting that out there. So me and my middle school homegirls and my high school friends, we've been talking about it. We're gonna pick a city and we are going to the concert. Here? Is that it?
That's bell pepper.
Looking for the red dot. I remember it being, okay. gonna take off the bag so we can brown it.
As soon as I get out, we gotta cover it.
For Christmas Eve. Smells good. Mac and cheese is done. Sweet potatoes.
Now I don't have to choose. From Crest 3D White, the whitening therapy collection with new spearmint and peppermint oil.
Mac and cheese. It's gonna make his plate. Yummy. Bon appetit. Hey y'all, so I am back. It is a few hours later. I ended up falling asleep. I took a good little nap, so feeling good, feeling great. About to go over a friend's house, some family's house, and kick it with them and watch a movie. There's a movie on Netflix that's very popular right now. I think it's called Bird Box. And so we're gonna all go watch that together. So that should be fun. I wanted to watch it last night, so it's cool to have everybody together and watch it together. I heard it was a good movie. So have you guys watched Bird Box? If you have, leave comments in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts about the movie. I'm about to go see it, and I'll let you guys know mine as well. If you haven't seen it, watch it so we can talk about it. But yeah, I'm about to leave the house, so I will see you guys in a few.
I've been doing this. Started down in my mama's basement. Back when cassette tapes pop, boy Biggie Pac and Escobar. About the time when that J dropped, had a holy Bible in my dressing drawer.
Bird Box. It's time to go outside.
As soon as you go out, I'm ripping it off your head.
I don't hear voices. Stop talking to me. I don't hear nothing.
Hey Divas, so it is officially nighttime. I just made it home from hanging with my church family. It was a good night, and so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up tonight's vlog so that I can post it for you guys tonight on Christmas night. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas and your holiday, however you celebrate with your friends and family. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely take advantage of every moment. Give everyone hugs, live, love, laugh, do all that, and just embrace it. And so I hope you guys enjoyed your holiday season, and I am headed to work tomorrow, so I'm not sure what tomorrow's vlog is all about, but I look forward to seeing you guys and seeing what else we can get into. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my video tomorrow. Peace.